Menteri Rangba Kejela Konrad Kesangma hagas ngintok ding ula pelat pajba ega kali Polyclinic jangki Shipai bela Shongthait. Kiban lit ai ke jing Shekri Shatura ha ke jing alang ke bala penlong Haraino Training Center Shillong. Menteri Rangba alpen pau eg jing kersyane ke liang sarkar jela patpen skamru ya ke jing kut jimut ha ke ban ai jing kersyane kino ke siang jam bala shim kiba dai nak menta ke bah ke mia jang Shipai bela Shongthait. Konrad benar-benaru eg jing rap song pisa basan lak pingka na ke Chief Minister Special Grant halor kene ke kam baha jang Shipai bela Shongthait. Pul airu ke jingkit bok bakane galenti jam kabela sim kalong bajab.
Computer connected to the ECSS central server and give the optimum database. We give the primary treatment here and also give the medicines for the monthly requirements and give reference to the ambulance hospitals anywhere in India.
What is it's got an ECG machine, it's got BT, it's got all the basic medicines, sir. And you see that router. So even from Tura or any other place, any patient has to be referred to a hospital in Guwahati or this. The doctor can do it directly to the central. We don't have to have any paperwork or issues in that place.
What we're doing is that we are ultimately have a lot of steps that we're taking in our own health sector, and including computerization, including patient record, centralizing all of that information and putting it in the centralized database. That work is going on as we speak. So how we can connect this also, try to work out so that we can take more jobs.
Is there director ECHS, sir?
Okay.
Work with very this happen.
Right.
I want to thank you and grab your views that finally all the help that we are a little late, sir. We are a little bit late. They promised to complete the whole thing.
Just fit. Nice. Very good. Very nice.
In Meghalaya, the veteran health care was restricted to Polyclinic at Shillong, Military Hospital Shillong, and one in-panel hospital at Woodland Hospital, also in Shillong. This year, we have already taken a giant stride in improving healthcare for the veterans of Meghalaya by the historic empanelment of NICRIBs. However, with all these facilities being limited to Shillong, a lot of ECHS beneficiaries, especially aged veterans residing in Garo Hills region, were facing hardship due to the compulsion to travel to Guwahati or at times to Shillong, even for minor ailments and surgeries or checkups. The need for expanding the reach of ECHS facility within Meghalaya was essential to bring in any tangible improvement for treatment of veterans in Meghalaya.
Ex-Servicemen Contributory Health Scheme was launched with effect from 1st April 2003 and is financed by Government of India. Under this scheme, ex-servicemen pensioners
of showing our gratitude and our thanksgiving to our armed forces for the contribution and the sacrifice that they make to protect each and every citizen of our country. And therefore, this is a very small step, but nonetheless a strong and a powerful message that we as a society and as a government and as a chief minister, we are there to always support you and be with you in every way that's possible. Meghalaya and Shillong specifically has always been a location where we have had a strong presence of the armed forces. And during the course of this years and the presence of the armed forces, we have faced challenges because of different kind of confusions and conflicts that were there in some ways. And but in the last many years, I have seen and noticed that we have seen a lot of collaboration now taking place between the civilians and the armed forces, and that's a very healthy trend. And this may be a very good occasion for me to stress on this aspect once again, that as we move along through proper discussion through proper activities where we work with the civilians and with the society at large and the armed forces together, we'll be able to really build up a very good environment and a good communication among the communities out here. And that, I think, has been happening, and that is happening, of course, because of the leadership within the armed forces that we have. And I must take this opportunity to thank all our the leaders, the Air Marshal, the Lieutenant General, and others who have been very proactive in this area and have ensured that we are able to create the right environment. At the end of the day, it is the country and it is our society and all of us that is right in front. The country is right in front and at the top of our agenda, and therefore we all, as members of the armed forces as well as the society, must work together to keep that agenda at the top of our agendas for all of us. So with these few words, I once again congratulate all of you. I thank each and every stakeholder who has made this program a success.